How to recover Instagram account without email or password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can recover our Instagram account without email or password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to basically recover your Instagram account without an email address or a password, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you're gonna see this type of interface, and from here you can just tap on the login option. Now let's say you know your username but you don't know your email or your password. One thing that you can try to do is tap on forgotten password option here. Then first of all, just try to find out what your Instagram account is. So basically you can just try to enter the name of that particular account over here. And once you enter the name of the account, just tap the find account option. It will find if there is that sort of account there. Now once it finds, you can just tap on the continue option to get the email at this particular email. But if you don't have access to that email, then you can tap on try another way option. And here there are other options. You can get it via phone numbers. So if you don't have email or you don't remember the password, you also have phone number. You can also get a SMS. And now let's say you don't have access to either of these. Let's see what it's going to tell us. You can tap on no longer have access to these. After that, the only thing you can do is just try to log in with the same device where you had previously logged in, and then it will recognize that device, and then from there you'll be able to go ahead and then solve the issue. This way you can recover Instagram without email or password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.